this video is just going to be showing you guys some stuff that I'm going to be putting on my Poshmark. So I have a pair, not a pair, I have a lot of pair of heels. I have a lot of heels that I'm going to be selling on Poshmark. There is a pretty variety of them. So I'm going to be adding some stuff on. I sound like really tired. Alright guys, so I'm going to be selling some stuff on my Poshmark. I'm going to be adding some things on my Poshmark. It's mostly going to be some heels, maybe some extra items. So I'm going to be showing you guys some of the items that I'm going to be putting on my Poshmark. So if you're interested in purchasing some of the heels that I show, make sure you go ahead and click that link in the description box. I'm going to be putting the link to my Poshmark account. And also, if you don't really know about Poshmark, you can sell clothing, you can sell shoes, heels, designer stuff, anything you can kind of think of, makeup, and they usually sell it at a discounted price, and it's really a great process. So like, they make labels for you and you can just go ahead and put it on your site, take some pictures, a little description, and you can sell something. This is not sponsored, but I've been using Poshmark for like a few years now, like 3 or 4 years now, and I loved it. The process is so easy, so I'm going to be using this to sell some things. So if you guys are interested in any of the items, please go to the description box and I will literally ship them out in like just the next day. Just let me know what you guys like, and I'll also leave the link down if you want to sign up or anything. And also, if you do sign up with my link, I'm going to be leaving, you can also get like some money off your order. So if you don't have a Poshmark account, use my link, you can get some money off your order. So I'm going to be showing you guys some of the heels here. So the first one here is gonna be from Shoe Dazzle here, and these are, we have the name first. So these are the booties. They're called Farrah in the black, and these are a size 10, but they actually fit. They run a little small, a lot of small, and I am actually a size 8, and I can literally fit these perfectly. So if you are a size 8, these will fit perfectly. I don't know why they are a 10, but honestly, they are so cute. And so this is them right here. They have a zipper detailing in the front, and they have this part that kind of straps around the whole shoe. Not exactly how sure it goes because I've been like trying them on, but they're really cute, really comfy. If you like kind of like a combat style heel or boot, this is definitely like that. It's really cute and comfortable. Honestly, I should probably keep these for myself, but I already kind of have some like this, so I'm just gonna, get these so you guys are interested in them. I'm gonna be putting them on there, so if you want these, get them fast because I don't have a lot available. I literally have just one of each shoe. So these are just really cute, and yes, I do have the other one. They're just really cute and comfy, so if you're interested, make sure you guys check that out. And I believe all these, well, some of them are from Shoe Dazzle. So these are also, I believe, from Shoe Dazzle. These are the black and white Sabra, S-A-B-R-A-H heels, and these are also a 10. But honestly, I don't know why their sizing is so weird. They're so cute. Like, no, actually, these are actually really bomb. Like, I would love to wear these in the summer. Like, they're really cute. They're wedge heels, and on the bottom they have this like black and white kind of chevron, I think, detail. I don't know. Detail on the bottom. They're pretty high, and they're really comfy. Honestly, I can probably fit these. Yes, as in I wear an 8 and I can fit these heels. So I would say if you're an 8, you could definitely fit these. They're not a 10, like they fit like an 8. And so they have like a little purple kind of detailing on the trim here, and then on the straps here, and they have a little strap, so you know, if you need extra help wearing heels, they're definitely just like really cute. And just, I actually love these, but you know, I'm just gonna, you guys might want these, and you know, may need something a little different in your wardrobe. So yes, and if you want to know the prices of everything, I'm just gonna put them on the Poshmark page, so just click the link and you'll see pricing in the description and everything. And these are not worn at all. Any of the shoes have not been worn, and are literally still in the box in pristine condition. So pristine condition, so you don't have to worry about any split in them, or even walking like outside or dirt or anything. Okay, and then I have this pair. They're called, I think, Cersei. It reminds me of freaking Game of Thrones. I don't watch it, but it sounds like something that'll be on there. And these are also a size 10. I don't know why, because they fit like an 8 also. So this is the box here. And they're just kind of some gray booties. They have this little tassel here, which I'm not going to show because I don't want to ruin the shoe for you guys. No, I want to keep it as new as it is. So yeah, these are the shoe here. They're really cute, honestly. You just want to go out and style these bad boys one time. Like, they're freaking bomb. The heel is really unique. I don't know if you guys can tell here, but alright, so back to these. These are honestly really cute. Like I said, the heel is very unique here. It's like this little cute little back piece. Not back piece, the heel. It looks really thin, but it's not like that thin, but it's really cool. And they're just like a soft gray look. So if you're interested in these, check the link. So yeah, I have stuff here. Oh, so this one, I think it is, shoot, where's the size? Oh, it's on here. Yeah, like I said, it's a size 10, but like I said, all of these fit. Oh, and then this has a zipper on the side. All of these literally fit like an 8. Not an 8.5. You are a just solid 8. These will fit you. So yeah. And don't worry, I'm gonna be having pictures on Poshmark, so you don't have to worry about just seeing them on this video. I'm gonna be having them on Poshmark, so don't worry. And I have 2 more shoes to show you guys. So these are also from Shoe Dazzle, and this is the Madison collection. These are called Ishah. These are the black and white, and these are a size 10, ISHAH. Ooh. And now these beauties are black and white. Wow, I just noticed. So these actually, I guess they have a little bit of nail polish in right here, so I guess they were tried on, but they are really cute. Nothing's wrong with them. They have not been worn or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about that. So this is a shoe. It's really cute to wear kind of anywhere. I love the bottom because it's like all white and it has like this glossy texture, and all these little straps here. It's really cute. So if you're interested in this, also is a size 10, but it fits like an 8. Like, I don't know why it's an 8. I mean a 10 if it's just like an 8. Like, I can fit all of these perfectly. And then, last but not least, one more in the Madison collection. These are called Heather, these are actually size 11 in the pink and multicolor. And now these are also kind of like wedge style, but they have the corkscrew detailing on them. And they have this cute little flower detail on the shoe, and they are open-toed right in the front to show your pretty little feet. And yeah, so this is them. They're really cute, and they have this little, I don't know what it's called, but the detail on the side is cute. They have like these little cutouts. They're really cute, honestly, and these are size 11, but like I said, they run small, and I believe in these they fit a 8. They may squeeze in an 8.5 because they are size 11, so they might be a little bit bigger. So if you are definitely 8 or 8.5, this would definitely fit you. So all of these beautiful shoes, if you are interested, please check the link in the description box because they will only be on Poshmark. So if you're interested in any of these heels, please let me know. And yeah, so that's it. I just want to show you guys the heels. I'm going to put them on. Oh, also, I did order something on Amazon because I love these candies, and they had a new, they had a new flavor, and which is a great flavor. So I ordered a lot of them because I couldn't order just one at a time. So I ordered a box of like 6 of them. So if you do order something, either one of these shoes, I have 5 of these left, and I have 5 pair of shoes. So if you order one, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a note, and I'm gonna throw one of these in your package. So if you're interested, I'm gonna throw one of these boys in your package. So yeah, that's it. Click the link in the description box. Check out Poshmark. Bye. Bye guys.